Let me know if you were the same person on LinkedIn, because I have a couple of people from MIT on my LinkedIn. Ayahu says, "Can you put the link in bio?" It is in my bio. You can be linked to both my my book on Amazon and my YouTube channel via the links that are available on Instagram. Okay, so thank you for that Thank you for that, Ayu. I think I saw you here yesterday, so welcome back. Please share your Discord link. The Discord link is in also on my Instagram. If you go to my Instagram stories, I actually just reposted it this morning, so it should be my top story. But I have a story there where I have a link directly to the Discord. Sign up. It has it to my Discord server. If you're already a Discord member, it'll put you in automatically, and you can join in. We've actually had a couple people join just during this chat, just during this live stream. So glad to have all of you there. Jeremiah says, "Thank you very much, Dennis." Well, I hope that helps.